y'all? It's Peyton and I'm back with another video, and today's video, as you can read by the title, is a freaking vlog. It's Friday, March 29th and 7:13 and I'm going to Noobchella. Well, it's really not supposed to be called Noobchella, but it's basically a black frat. And they throw like a whole weekend of parties during like spring break, and right now is my spring break and it's Friday, so my spring break is gonna be over after Noobchella. And yeah, so I'm about to go to San Diego, gonna see Brene, Tiara, Kenny, because y'all always be like, oh my god, I make videos with them, so they're gonna be in this vlog. I just wanted to make this intro real quick. I'm literally in a rush. Like, we were supposed to leave at 7, but right now I'm late and I'm probably gonna get there at 8 because my friend is driving. So anyway, I should probably talk and walk because I don't even have time, but let me just show y'all what I'm wearing right now. All I did today was just wake up and I went to get my nails done, and then I had to come back and pack. I didn't even get to do my hair or nothing, but OOTD, I'm gonna just show you guys. So right now I have on this Nike sweater, I have on this little Gucci bag, I have on these Nike leggings. They have a little, you know, logo. My Gucci slides. Just got my toes done. Okay, peep the pedicure. Your girl got cute feet. I thought this green was gonna be like a really vibrant lime green, but it's actually just like a very plain green, but I like it anyway. It kind of matches my sandals. And here is my luggage. Yes, y'all, this is how much I packed just for 3 days. So time to hop on the road. I'm about to drive to my friend's house. She literally lives like 19 miles from me, so it's gonna take about an hour with traffic right now, and then we're gonna get on the road and go to San Diego. It is 11:19 and I low-key got here like 30 minutes ago, but guess who I'm here with?
Gang, gang, gang.
Can I see? I can't even see. And I'm about to demolish this In-N-Out and be bored as fuck. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. It's like 9, or like I think it's like 9:30 right now. I just woke up. Clear skin goals. So today we're gonna be going to Kappa Splash, and we're gonna probably pregame it at 12 and then leave afterwards. And it's just basically gonna be like a little pool beach party, so it's gonna go up. And there's really a lot of people in this house right now, so I'm about to try to record everything. I'm trying to get everything, and we gonna turn this vlog the fuck up. But I'm just about to wash my face and just start getting ready because it's literally probably gonna take me like 2 hours. But let me show y'all what I'm gonna wear. I'm either gonna wear this like green leotard that I got from Boss Babe LA, and these white shorts from Fashion Nova, or these blue shorts that I got from like a thrift store on Melrose. So one of these shorts and then my Gucci slides. It is 11:58 and I just finished getting ready, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got on. I already showed you guys what I was wearing, but yeah, this is how it looks on me. And then I have on my Gucci slides, and I have really long ass legs, so I low-key look like a spider, but you know what, it's okay, like, still cute. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, we've got the baddies coming out. Okay.
I know, trying to get my life together.
Well, you already know. We about to be popping 10 in like less than 30 minutes.
Period.
See that time? What time is it? 11:59. 31 minutes. Y'all, my friends are really thick as fuck. Like, what? What?
Okay, y'all, we're taking shots. Ready?
I'm 21.
Bomb. Period. Bomb.
Get bored. So we just got to what we think is the place that this party is at.
Oh, please do it. Please do it.
It is 2:38 and I'm gonna just be honest, I'm lit. Are you lit?
That's fun. Here.
Hello. Look at Leia. Okay.
No, they just walked up
Ooh.
like us. Let me just tell y'all something about Peyton. You know, Peyton is a real ass bitch. And she does this YouTube and shit, and like, I know y'all probably think she's just like this famous mean person, but like, it's been my bitch since high school, y'all. It's really my bitch. Like, they don't know, baby. They don't know.
we have to walk to the right address, and it's a 12-minute walk. So it's all of us, and we really have to walk there. I just want to tell y'all, it's really lit, like, lit. Well, honestly, I don't know if it's that lit, but for sure I'm lit. And I just want y'all to know, for the next 48 hours, we're going the fuck up. So if you're watching this, stay tuned, because we have a show for you. Talk to the vlog. What's up? How you feeling? What's good? It's lit.
Follow me on the IG. She gonna drop it.
Sexy, sexy. Hold on, wait. Turn around, turn around. Oh.
We're drunk.
We're getting drunk.
This is hitting.
We finna get crazy. God, we finna.
Go crazy, go stupid.
Go crazy. Go Lord.
Hey, get him.
Go.
No cap.
Hold on. It is 12:38 and we just got to the border. And I'm like really excited, but at the same time I'm really scared. So I don't even know what to expect. So we're waiting for like half of our group because it's honestly like 10 or 15. It's 10 to 15 of us. So we're waiting for everybody to get here and then we're going to go, and I'm really cold. Y'all, we're here. We just got in, like, I guess we're here, you know, past the border.
No, yeah, you're here.
And the guys got interrogated, so they're in a little room right now. I feel like such...
Yeah.
So, look at my twist. I got them done about a week ago. We touched down, and we're in Mexico.
There you go. Hong Kong, right?
It's lit.
Yeah.
Y'all, we're really deep as fuck. It's really a lot of people.
All right.
So we're hopping in this limo right now. Y'all, it's literally 25 of us, and we're really in here deep as fuck. So we just left this strip club. Y'all, I promise you, like, this is really an experience. Like, I don't know.
It
if
was
that makes
hella
sense.
bitches in there, is what she's trying to say. Bitches, naked bitches.
I'm not trying to say, you know, it was good or bad, but it's crazy. Like, so now we're going somewhere else. I don't know when.
Coco Bongo.
I don't know when we're going back home. Like,
Coco Bongo.
that's the crazy part.
We're not gonna be home till the early morning.
vlog it all today. Here with Tiara. I'm a little lit, but you know, we're on our way to Kappa Toga. It's 10:48.
This is
we're lit. We're ready.
Peyton and Tiara, because this is. I need y'all to know that you're that bitch.
Wait, hold on. Can I do my vlog? We're going to Kappa Toga, and this is what it is. Let go. We're here, and it's not all that. Really, not all that, y'all. But guess what? We're gonna turn this shit the fuck up.
Right now, hey, we lost a real one right now. Everybody pull out your motherfucking light. Hey, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last time that I checked, just 5 chains on my neck. There's no smell on my rep. Last time that I checked, in the set. No sweat. On the streets, voice out west.
Hey guys, so I forgot to end off my vlog, but it's Monday and I'm back in LA. I left SD at like 10 and I got back at 12, and then I just got ready for class and went straight to class. I just left class because it ended early, and now I'm just gonna be at work for the rest of the day. But that was really it for the vlog. I know it wasn't really too much going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment something nice, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.